This is going to be a July 2017 retake of the elevator at the Whole Foods Market parking garage in Sarasota, Florida. This is otherwise known as the 2nd Street parking garage and the shops in Sarasota Row garage. As you can see, these are newer Series 1 fixtures. Here's a view out. Call button doesn't light up here. There's your Otis interlock, which was tested, as you saw, December 10th, 2001. And I'd say that's pretty accurate. Here's your cab view. We've got a hospital-sized cab. So there's a little bit of distance between 2 and the ground floor, whereas 3 and 2 are closer. Just another 3. So as you can see, this is elevator number 5. And I'm guessing elevators 1 through 4 are somewhere in the apartment complex above here. Here's your inspection certificate. As you can see, this has not been inspected this year, because the expiration date is August 1st, 2017. Here's your fixtures. It looks like the elevator is trying to shut on me. So we're gonna go in case if someone needs to use it. We're gonna stop on 2. As you might have seen, the ground floor has a C.J. Anderson call button, whereas 2 and 3 have traditional Otis Series 1 call buttons. Yep. Thought someone might be going up. Okay, let's calm down, because I think this is going up. Nope. It's going down. So the ground. I'm gonna give you another look at the C.J. Anderson call station. Here's another look at what it says on the doors. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Usually that's gonna be the thumbnail. And that'll be it.